Also politics unfortunately taking place. Let's talk about the Delhi Mantri. The Aam Aadmi Party minister has called for a key meeting. The Delhi Health Minister Saurabh Bhardwaj at Delhi Secretariat regarding the Vivek Vihar hospital fire, and we are told that the health department officials that will also be present there. Nyamika, if you can hear me, tell us both the investigation and the meeting that is now being sought by the Delhi Aap Mantri.
Well, as per the latest information, now the Delhi's Health Minister Saurabh Bhardwaj has called a meeting of the officials of the Delhi government to seek a proper report about the incident that had taken place at the hospital of Vivek Vihar, in which 7 of the newborn children have lost their lives because of the fire that was being there. And for that reason, now yesterday also we have seen that how the political war of words had also been started by the Aam Aadmi Party government, as Saurabh Bhardwaj was the one who had made an allegation by saying that he is trying to speak to the secretary of the health department of the Delhi government, but no response has been received till that time, as he was saying that I'm continuously trying to make contact with the secretary of the health department to get the report that how the investigation is currently going on, but there is no response which has come on the part of the health secretary regarding this entire matter, as he has also mentioned that the Aam Aadmi Party government, as being the health minister of the Aam Aadmi Party government in Delhi, he had also given a mail to the health secretary regarding the report which should be there, as he was also asking about the details about the incident. And for that reason, he was saying that no response has been come on the part of the health secretary, and that's the reason why today
that is now coming in from the Delhi health minister and the Delhi chief minister as well, that accountability will be fixed. We are told that this meeting later will be taking place at the Delhi Secretariat over this fire tragedy that has been reported in Delhi's Vivek Vihar. Nyamika, for the moment, thank you very much for joining in. All of the developments will keep our viewers updated. Back after a short break.
Kane sir, your dinner.
On a tile? It's antibacterial.
Scratch resistant also.
But plates? Kane bhai, it's a tile ad.
IM Plus टेक्नोलॉजी से बने वर्ल्ड क्लास टाइल्स, टाइल हो तो सिंपल हो.